Hello fam! Let's go ahead and review our brand new fan and lamp. Ang bagong-bagong product ng Jisoo Life, which is the Outdoor Fan Ultra 1. So it's a 4-in-1 portable fan, outdoor lamp, power bank, and portable air compressor. So, ayan siya. So this fan has 13,500 mAh yung fan and yung light niya. So yung light, this is the switch. So for the light, you just have to press this, hold it for a second. So ito yung flashlight mode na, and it has 3 modes. And automatic nagto-turn on si fan. Then if you would like to switch to another mode, you have to double click it. Yan. So it's more of a lamp. And meron din siyang 3 modes. Yan. And then to turn it off, you just have to hold it again. There. And then si fan, hold lang din tong switch ito. So this is the number 1. So ito yung switch niya. So to high and low, you have to just click this. So this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10. So, sobrang lakas niya. Para siyang aeroplano. Then, ito yung low. So, bawasan natin. There we go. And this is yung pinaka-mataas na. So, yan lang yung pinaka-mataas na height na pwede mong i-adjust si fan. Pero pwede mo siyang let's see, turn it on. So, hanggang saan? Hanggang taas. Kung liligpitin mo na siya, just have to place it here, here, tapos yung paa na, you have to individually return it to its place. So, 2 and 3. And para hindi siya mag-move kapag naka-storage, here, so meron siyang, you can see, yung unlock, and this is the lock. So, ito yung tatapatin mo siya. So, press mo lang siya sa baba. There. Mahuhugot. Yun siya ng hilap-akit. So, yeah. This is the Jisoo Life. So, it's 13,500 mAh and ang extra niya is meron siyang 6,000 mAh na pwedeng power bank. And this, I think this is for the charging and this is pag gagamitin mo si power bank. So, ito yung light indicator niya. So, if you will try it again, here. So, para lang 4 din siya na LED light. So, it means 3 na lang yung hindi na siya fully charged. And if you will charge it, same thing, magbiblink yung mga lights niya if you are charging it. And ang maganda dito ay marami siyang kasamang accessories.
Okay, so our final thoughts on this Jisoo Life Ultra Fan. First, it's great to use for outdoor and during the day. Camping kami last weekend and sobrang init ng hapon, and si Jisoo Life yung ginamit namin. For us, it's also good to use kung mo mapabilis magbagay yung uling, kung magbo-barbecue kayo, or you can use it as a blower or mag-inflate ng airbed or salvavidas. Hindi siya advisable gamitin as a fan kapag matutulog na kasi maingay pa din siya even on the lowest fan setting. And na-fully drain namin siya in fairness nung kinabukasan when we use it kasi ginamit namin siya sa power bank para dun sa isang fan na ginamit nung anak ko magdamag. So, maganda ba si Jisoo Life Outdoor Fan Ultra 1? Yes, maganda siya because again, 4-in-1 na nga siya. So, you already have the fan, light, power bank, at air compressor. So, pantangdag sa mga camping gears ng family. Handy din siya at hindi ganun kabigat. So, you can also use it as a flashlight. Sulit ba? Gawing Jisoo Life fan, sulit naman kung palakasan lang ng hangin. By the way, this fan costs 6,999. If you have the budget, then go for it. Ayun lang. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!